Good morning, Vinrich. My name is Nehanjali. I am from class 9th. Mathematics is all around us. Everything, whatever you measure, maths is involved. In maths, everything is in order. Now, let's learn about BODMAS, a simple mathematical rule which helps the students to deal with mathematical operation in order. Today, we, the girls of 9th class, are presenting a small skit. Now, let's welcome them.
Problems, problems, problems. My life full of problems, dull and boring. Counting, counting, counting. Always counting. I'm so alone with my problems. Hey, who are you? Who allowed to come here?
Let me introduce myself. I am Addition and I can prove that I can be very useful to you. I can increase your value. So please don't try to avoid me.
But how can you do this?
First, take the number 3 and 2. If we add this both, the answer will be 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow! This edition we can make so many new numbers. I'm so happy. But can you tell me how can I decrease my value?
I can decrease your value.
Show me.
Take number 3 and 2. If I will come between 3 and 2, then your value will be 1.
Oh, so cool.
Repeated addition, repeated addition.
Hey, who are you and what do you mean by this?
I am multiplication. I have double distance. When you want to add a number again and again, then I can make the calculation very easy. Then you can call me a shortcut. Then I am enter of service. I am the sister of multiplication. Here you go numbers. One more operation to deal with. Do you want to meet?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Hey, hi, hello everyone, I'm Division. When you want to shade equal, I work with my calculation easier. Friends, you can also call me a shade.
Oh wow, so many operations to deal with. I'm so happy. Let's play with the numbers.
Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play.
Okay, stop. So many operations to deal with. What a problem.
Don't worry, dear. In order, we can play with the numbers.
Wait. Let me explain you. Can you say an order, my dear?
An order?
Yes, an order. You can play with us according to a sequence like O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction.
Oh, BODMAS.
Hi everyone, I am Bracket. My role is to catch all operations and left in a box.
No. Let's finish this bracket. Otherwise, it will not allow us to play. Attack.
So, dear friends, always remember whenever we have a bracket, our aim is to finish it first, then we can play according to the sequence.
Yes, you mean here in new sequences B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction.
So, dear friends, math is all about numbers, formulas, operations, errors are called physical universe. Math is not just for watching. We should learn and try to frame a simple things into complicated and complicated a simple things. But above math and mathematical operations, it teaches us that problem has a solution. I repeat that
Every problem has a solution.
Thank you everyone. I would like to thank our beloved principal, teachers, and all my friends once again.
Thank you all.